Y'all, here comes one who's woke. This reminds me of Joseph, the dreamer in the Bible. His brothers hated him for it. Out of jealousy, they sold him into slavery, faked his death, and told their father a beast killed him. But Joseph's story didn't end there. His bad fortune continued when he was falsely accused and thrown in an Egyptian prison. While serving his time in prison, he met the Pharaoh's butler and baker, who had found displeasure in Pharaoh's eyes. Both the butler and the baker had dreams that deeply disturbed them and was searching for their meanings. Joseph interpreted both of their dreams as they were prophetic. Joseph predicted that the butler would have his job reinstated in 3 days and baker would lose his head in 3 days. Both came to pass. One day the Pharaoh had disturbing dreams that worried and perplexed him, yet none of his many wise men could interpret it. The Pharaoh dreamed of 7 healthy cows devoured by 7 thin ones, and grain eaten by blighted grain. Joseph interpreted the Pharaoh dream. It foretold of 7 years of prosperity, followed by 7 years of famine. Joseph advised Pharaoh to store surplus during the 7 good years to survive the tough years that followed. Pharaoh assigned Joseph to this preparation, which brought him great honor and prestige. Well, Joseph's wisdom saved Egypt from famine and reunited him with his family. He forgave his brothers, and their lives were saved. We're in our own economic famine now, y'all, and we're not prepared for 7 years of this mess. Like Joseph, we must act now to create and support our businesses and weather these tough times together. Family, I had my own dream last night. I dreamed that us black folks finally woke up, unified our dollars, committed to group economics with a Black First doctrine, and created and supported black businesses on iShop.black in the masses, uniting our nearly $2 trillion in spending power. We need each of you to help make this dream a reality. iShop.black. Prepare, support, and thrive. Let's face the storm together. The time for solely relying on a job has passed. At iShop.black, a new beginning is here. Join today and use our Begin Here coupon to get 15% off all subscriptions. There's no time to wait. Build your future now. Scan the QR code or use the link below.
Join us for our tech podcast on Sundays at noon.